So we're starting off with the integral of sine to the fourth power x, and this one I'm going to start off by rewriting it as the integral of sine squared x times sine squared x. And now we can use our double angle identities from trig. We'll rewrite this as the integral of 1 minus cosine 2x over 2 in parentheses times the same thing, 1 minus cosine 2x over 2 dx. And now we can go ahead and extract these halves out front as a 1/4 times the integral. We'll go ahead and FOIL this, and in doing so we result in 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus cosine squared 2x dx. And now finally we'll do one more double angle identity here. So we'll have 1/4 times the integral 1 minus 2 cosine 2x. And because this is a cosine, we'll use a plus instead of a minus like we did here. So we'll say plus, in parentheses, 1 plus cosine 4x all over 2 dx. And what I'm going to do to make this just a little bit easier to handle is I'm going to break this into two different integrals. I'll start by doing 1/4 times the integral of 1 minus 2 cosine 2x dx, and then I will add 1/4, because this 1/4 has to be carried over, times this half here I'm going to pull out front, the integral of 1 plus cosine 4x dx. This obviously becomes 1 over 8. And so now we can go ahead and solve. We'll start by doing 1/4 times the integral of 1 with respect to x is x. The integral of 2 cosine 2x with respect to x is minus 2 sine 2x over 2. And we'll go ahead and cancel these 2's out. And then we will add 1/8, which is from here, times the integral of 1 with respect to x is x. The integral of cosine 4x with respect to x will be plus sine 4x over 4, close the bracket. And because we're dealing with an integral with no bounds here, we must add a constant at the end. And so finally, we'll go ahead and distribute our values. We'll have x over 4 minus sine 2x over 4 plus x over 8 plus sine 4x over 32 plus a constant. And we can combine like terms now. So the x over 4 and the x over 8 can combine to become 3x over 8 minus sine 2x over 4 plus sine 4x over 32 plus a constant. And this is the final result of the integral of sine to the fourth power x. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful.